Right, so how do you know if you've got your belt tension correctly? When you go to engage the handle, if you don't feel any resistance, if it feels quite easy, it probably means your belt's too loose. What you can do to check, get yourself a little clamp, clamp off the handle, and then come round to the belt and give it a little wiggle. Now this is a brand new belt I've put on. I set the tension up and it was fine, and after about 2 hours of mowing I noticed when I was side discharging it was kind of not really discharging properly. So yeah, come in here, this belt definitely needs adjusting again. That's far too sloppy. So that's what you want to do, you want to come in here, check this belt. There should be a little bit of play in this one, but not too much. So to do that, you just undo that one and pull this cable back a bit. So yeah, undo your clamp on your handle, don't leave it on when you adjust this. And just pull this back towards you a little bit. You basically want to take up the slack plus a little tiny bit. That makes sense. Take the slack off completely, take the slack out of this, and then add about 1 centimetre of tightness to it. Tighten your little bolt down. Go and pull the handle. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, when you pull this, you want to feel some resistance. This shouldn't be so easy to pull. You want to be able to feel like it's fighting against you.